Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your PC is stuck on preparing automatic repair, or automatic repair couldn't repair your PC, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video I will show you 6 effective methods to fix automatic repair issues in Windows step by step, without reinstalling Windows or losing your data. This problem usually happens after a sudden power outage, or force shutdown, corrupted files, registry problem, or wrong software uninstallation. So please watch the video till the end, because one of these methods will definitely fix your PC. In the first method, we will run the startup repair tool. If you haven't tried a restart, just restart first. Then if restarting didn't work for you, just click on the advanced option. After this you will see this. Click on the troubleshoot. Then select advanced option. Then click on startup repair. After selecting startup repair, it will take a few minutes, so you need to wait patiently. After the process is finished, you will be able to log in easily like this one. But don't worry if this method didn't work for you. We'll use the second method to fix boot issues using CMD. Okay, first you need to click on the advanced option. Then you need to click on the troubleshoot. Then select advanced option. Then click on the command prompt. This will open a black window. So here, we will write the following command. This command helps to fix corrupted system files, as well as other boot problems. All the commands used are given on the description. Let's start with the first command. Type boot or /fixmbr. After you finish writing your command, just click enter on the keyboard. As you see here, it says successful, so we'll write the following command. Boot or /fixboot. After you finish, click enter on the keyboard. Then type the following command, boot /scanos. Then hit enter on the keyboard. After the process is completed, it says successful, so write the following command next. chkdsk /f/c semicolon, hit enter on the keyboard. Then this process will take place. Finally, it will fix so many issues very well. Now let us type the following command. This is the final command, sfc/scan. Now after you finish typing, click enter on the keyboard. OK. Then you need to wait until the percent is completed. 100% OK. As you see here, the percent is completed 100%. What you need to do is to type exit. Then click enter on the keyboard. OK. Good job. Next, you should click on the continue button, so click on this. Then your window will automatically open for you. If this method didn't work for you, don't worry, I'll show you other method. This method involves fix startup issues by restore pointers. To do this, first click on the advanced option. Then you'll see this here. Click on the troubleshoot. Once you click on the troubleshoot, you'll get the advanced option. So click on advanced option. Then here click on the system restore. Click once, it will do some processing. Then click next. Once you click, you will see all the restore points that you created previously. Select the recent restore points. This will restore your computer to the working state without losing any data. Once you selected the restore points, click next. Then click finish here, confirm by clicking yes. Then your system will start restoring the old registry file settings. Once completed, you will see system restore completed successfully. Now click on the restart. After that, PC will restart and it will open normally. Once you get the home screen, you'll see the same message, system restore points successfully completed. If this method not working, don't worry, we'll fix your issue completely using safe mode. OK. Very well. To fix this issue, first we need to click on the advanced option. Then click on the troubleshoot. Then click on advanced option here. Click on startup setting. Then you'll see any options including safe mode. Then click restart. Once the restarting is complete, then you'll see options with the number. So you need to click 4 on the keyboard, or F4. This is done in order to select the enable safe mode. Once you select, your PC will restart and you will see black screen. Now first click on the start. Then click on the setting here. Click on apps, then installed app. Here you'll just need to uninstall any app that is causing the problem. But if you don't have any app that is causing the problem, just close and search on the search menu. Disk cleanup, as you see here. This is disk cleanup, then click on open. Once this process is done, you need to select all temporary files. Here select all the temporary files. After selecting all, click OK. Then here click Delete Files. Once this process is done, go to your Start button, just click here. Then click on the Power button. Then you should restart your computer. After restarting is complete, your computer will open normally, but don't worry if you have still the issue. Then this final method will fix your problem. But don't worry, which is done by resetting your PC. To fix all boot issues, first you need to select Advanced option, then click Troubleshoot, then click on Reset this PC. Then you will see two options, Keep My Files, as well as Remove Everything. You should click on the Keep My Files. After selecting Keep My Files, you will see this. So here you should click on Local Reinstall. Once you click on the Local Reinstall, then you will see this message, What changes after the reset? First read this message carefully, then click on the Reset. After you click on the Reset, your new window will reinstall. So this may take a few minutes, and your PC might restart several times, so you need to wait patiently. Finally, you saved your computer from any data loss, as well as fix its automatic repair problem. Guys, if you found this video is helpful, please like as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next.